Tad roast movies that aren't the Wizard of Oz.
I, Tonya.
I, Tonya. More like I, Yanya. Am I right, people? Jeez. Boring. Margot Robbie, I can't wait to see you act like an American for 2 hours. Not buying it. I wish her flunkies had taken an ice skate to my throat. Am I right? The only thing that movie was guilty of was murdering my soul for 2 hours. Next.
Call me by your name.
Call me by your name? More like call me by your lame. Oh, that movie needed more than an army and a hammer to fix all its flaws. My goodness, that movie sure could have used a plot. You know what I mean, folks? A key missing ingredient. But I'm glad that it did ruin peaches for me. Anybody else? My goodness, that used to be my favorite fruit till young Timmy put a little peach on his little Charlemagne. Jeez. Next.
Ladybug.
Ladybird, more like Lady Turd. That thing took a squat. Oh, unoriginal. Do you know what I mean? Jeez. If I wanted to watch white teenagers complain for 2 hours, I'd throw on 2 Blink-182 albums. Anybody else? Shape of Water. I'll tell you what, that water was not in a good shape if you ask me. Ew, I thought too much fish genitals. You know what I mean? And I never thought I would say that. I really didn't. Saddest part to me, it ruined deviled eggs, okay? It ruined deviled eggs for me. And I used to love those. I mean it. Okay? Also, saddest part to me was when they ruined that movie theater. You know, that classic old movie theater that got ruined by all that water? Was that necessary? It made me cringe. Like when old westerns, when a horse would fall over. The only thing that destroyed the theater more was actually projecting Shape of Water on the screen. Next.
Get out, dude.
Get out.
Get out.
Get out? Well, we should have just followed the directions and gotten out of that theater. Am I right, ladies and gentlemen? I was envious of the deer who got hit by that car. I said, that could have been me.
Do you like a movie better than The Woo? Comment below and I will roast you. And if you want to join my tadpole tribe, go right ahead and click subscribe. Ring that bell. Ring-a-ding-a-ding-a-ding-a-ding.